Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Rahman Sohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make power socket in 3-phase motor wiring diagram. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. 3-phase motor, power socket, bulb, fan, first phase connection, second phase connection, third phase connection, neutral connection, 3-phase connection to 3-phase motor, first phase connection to power socket, neutral connection to power socket, second phase connection to bulb, neutral connection to bulb, third phase connection to fan, neutral connection to fan. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.